Think you know Windows? Think again. Today I'm unlocking 10 secret Windows hacks that even power users miss. Let's get started. Number 1. Clipboard history. Ever copy something and then lose it forever? Not anymore. Press Windows plus V to access your clipboard history. See everything you've copied and even pin your favorites. Number 2. Snipping tool. Need to capture any part of your screen instantly? Press Windows, Shift, and S together. It's perfect for tutorials, sharing bugs, or just saving information. Number 3. Secret Start menu. Want quick access to Task Manager, Device Manager, or Control Panel? Just right-click the Start button. It brings up a hidden menu with all the essentials. Number 4. Nightlight mode. Working late? Turn on Nightlight to reduce eye strain. Just head to Settings, then System, then Display, and flip on Nightlight. Your eyes will thank you. Number 5. Virtual desktops. Need separate workspaces for different projects? Press Windows, Control, and D to create multiple desktops. It keeps your workflow organized and your mind focused. Number 6. Emoji keyboard. Did you know Windows has a built-in emoji keyboard? Press Windows and the period key. Now you can add a little fun to your chats, documents, or even emails. Number 7. Shake to minimize. Got too many windows open? Grab one window and give it a shake. All the others minimize instantly. It's a quick way to clear the clutter and focus. Number 8. Storage Sense cleanup. Running low on space? Enable Storage Sense in your settings to automatically delete junk files and keep your system tidy. Number 9. Task Manager shortcut. Forget Ctrl Alt Delete. Go straight to Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and SC together. It's a direct shortcut for checking what's running and ending tasks fast. And finally, number 10. God Mode folder. Create a special folder that gives you access to every setting in one place. Just create a new folder and name it godmode.open bracket ED7BA470-8E54-465C-99712043043E01C close bracket. Open it. Welcome to Windows God Mode. So, how many of these hacks did you know? Comment your score below. Like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to NextGen IT Learning for more hidden tech gems every week.